Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So the one-click story feature in OpenArt lets you generate a full story with visuals automatically, including scenes, characters, and sometimes even video clips from a single idea. Okay, so in this guide, I will show you step by step how to use one-click story on OpenArt in 2026 fast and effective. So first thing first, open one-click story tool. So go to OpenArt. Log into your account, navigate to one-click story or story generator, usually found under AI tools or video features. Okay, so tap this. So you have here many ideas from one-click AI video. Okay, so here you choose one of these. So for example, so type a simple concept here. For example, a lonely astronaut finds life on Mars, a student discovers a hidden power, or a motivational success journey. So keep it clear and focus. Okay, choose a style and format, like select visual styles, cinematic style, okay, anime, realistic, like the tone too dramatic, funny, inspirational. Okay, so optional like video format, image, storyboard. Okay, so generate the story, like click generate. Okay, click generate. As I said, OpenArt will create like story scenes, visual prompts, or clips in structured sequence. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.